Hello, Internet. It's Dave, and welcome to the first episode of Turning Ordinary Stuff into Musical Instruments.
Turning ordinary stuff into musical instruments.
It's the series where I take ordinary stuff and turn it into musical instruments. In future episodes, I'll be taking requests, so make sure you tell me what ordinary stuff I should use next in the comments. For today, I'll be using something random in the house that I'll have to go find. But for now, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and like this video because it's painless and it's free, and everybody loves free stuff. But seriously, it would help support my channel and I would be forever grateful. Anyways, let's go find something to record. Found it. Now we need to set up a mic to record. Okay, let's do it. So everything's recorded, and now I have an Apple Pack, which is free on my website to go download. Now I have to make some music. So I need a kick. I'm gonna drag a drop in. Ooh, that's got some bass to it. I'm gonna drag that in as well. That one too. So I dragged in several samples, and I'm gonna mix two so that I have the bass of the kick, and then I actually have the punch of the kick as well, or the click. Okay, so now I have a kick, and I dragged it into my drum rack. Now I need a snare. I'm gonna resample that. And dragging the snare into the drum rack. Now I need some hi-hats. So now I have kick, snare, hi-hat. So I'm gonna go off camera and finish this up, putting together a pad and a synth and some percussion, maybe putting it all together, mixing it and balancing it some way. And hopefully when I come back, I have some sort of interesting or fun little musical something. All right, I think I'm done. I made a fun little loop. I even added some vocals in there, and it's easy, it's chill, but here's the final product. So that was a challenge, but it was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can get the next episode coming up in a week or so. And make sure that in the comments, you let me know what you think I should do next. Make sure you go check out my website, agentofnoise.com, where I have sample packs just like this one, as well as Ableton devices and even some merch. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.